Hello my dear students, this is Raman Rana here, your mathematics teacher, Cambridge International School, Dasua. Today we will discuss some of the questions of simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations. As we know that to solve a linear equation, pair of linear equations or simultaneous equations, we can solve them by three ways. First, by substitution method. Second, by elimination method. And we have one more method, that is cross multiplication method. Generally, we are going with the substitution and elimination method. And here in our class, we are preferring elimination method because it is easy one. So let's discuss first with the substitution method. That first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, and second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 9. This is equation number 1 here. If we are going with substitution method, and this is equation number 2. Now here from equation 2, we have x is equal to 9 minus 2y. This is equation number 3. We have taken the value of x is equal to from equation number 2. So we will substitute the value of equation 3, this x, in equation number 1. This is the substitution step. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So we get twice of 9 minus 2y plus 3y is equal to 13. So here we have, this implies that 18 minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 13. So here 13 minus 18 is equal to minus y. So here we have minus 5 minus y. This implies that the value of y is equal to 5. So by substitution, we came to know that the value of y for these two pair of equations is y is 5. Now we can put the value of y in any of the equation. So here the value of x is equal to 9 minus 2 into y. Y is 5. So here the value of x is equal to 9 minus 10 is minus of 1. So we have solved the equations by substitution method, and we came to know that y is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus of 1. If we want to solve with the another method, that is elimination method. So we have two ways, either to eliminate x or eliminate y. If we want to eliminate y, we can multiply both the equations by 2. It will get 6y. It is also get 6y. But here we have, if we want to eliminate x, so we simply multiply equation 2 with 2 and we'll get 2x. So here by elimination method, we will multiply equation 2 by 2. We get 2x plus 4y is equal to 18. And now what we can do, subtracting 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. Subtracting 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. here we have is equal to 13. So I have subtracted here equation 1 from this equation 3. This is equation number 3. So here minus minus minus. So here we have y is equal to 5, and again substituting the value of y in any equation, we will get x is equal to minus of 1. So I hope you are very much clear that elimination method is easy one. So that's why we are going, if we can check the question, so we can opt any of the method. Question number 2. Half of x minus 8y is equal to 1 is equation number 1, and x plus 2y is equal to 6.5 is equation number 2. So we know we can multiply or divide the equation with any constant. So here, to make it its coefficient 1, we can multiply the whole equation 1 by 2. So multiplying whole equation by 2, multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get here x plus minus 16y is equal to 2. That it is equation number 3 here. We have multiplied first equation by throughout with 2, both left hand side and right hand side. So we get the third equation. Now from 2 and 3, if we go for elimination, we subtract 3 from 1, subtract equation 3 from equation 2, we get minus, it will become plus, it will become minus here. So we have 18y is equal to, it is 13 by 2 minus of 2. So here we have y is equal to, by taking LCM, we have for 9 upon 2 into 1 upon 18. So we have answer is 1 by 4. So we have y is equal to 1 by 4. To find the value of x, we can substitute the value of y in any of the equation 1, 2 or 3. If substituting the value of y in 3, we get x minus 16 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 here. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So x is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So value of x is equal to 6. Similarly, question number 3 here. Let 2x minus y is equal to 7 is equation number 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 3 is equal to equation number 2 here. So here y and y both are, coefficients are same 1. So we can eliminate y by adding equation 1 and 2, we get, when we add 5x is equal to 10, because y and y will get cancelled when we add both equations. So this implies that x is equal to 2. Now substituting the value of x in any of the equation, we get like 2 into 2 minus of y is equal to 7. This implies that minus of y is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So this further implies that y is equal to minus of 3. So dear students, for the confirmation in these questions, when we have the simultaneous equations, means pair of equations, we can confirm by substituting both the values. For here, let x, we know it is 2 and y is minus 3. If I am substituting the value here, that 2 into 2 is 4 and minus of minus 3, it should be 7. And yes, here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Means left hand side is equal to your right hand side. So we can simultaneously check the solutions x and y by substituting the value in any of the equation. Both left hand side and right hand side must be same. This is about checking your solution. Question number 4. Question number 4. Here 2x minus 7y is equal to 2 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 42. So here we can multiply equation 1 by 2. We'll eliminate here x. We can eliminate x. So first equation will become 4x minus 14y is equal to 4. That is equation number 3 here. Now subtracting 3 from 2, minus here, minus will be plus, minus here. So we have 19y is equal to 38, or this implies that y is equal to 2. Substituting the value of y in any of the equation, we got 2x minus of 14 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 plus 14 divided by 2 here. So x is equal to 8. So we have the solution for the question number 4. Y is equal to 2 here and x is equal to 8. Let's check whether the solution is right or not. If in equation 1, left hand side, put the value of x 8. So 2 into 8 minus 7 into 2. So here we have 16 minus 14 is equal to 2, which is equal to right hand side. So we came to conclusion that our both the solution x is equal to 8 and y is equal to both are right. Now question number 5, 3x plus 5y is equal to 24 and x plus 7y is equal to 56. So here again, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2 here. Multiplying the equation 2 by 3, we got 3x plus 21y is equal to 168. Again, for by elimination from 1 and 3, if this is equation number 1, 5y is equal to 24. Subtracting 1 from 3, we got here we have 16y is equal to 144. So hence y is equal to 144 upon 16 is 9. So here again substituting the value of y in any of the equation. Here in equation number 2, here x plus 7 into 9 is 63. So here the value of x is equal to 56 minus 63. So here we have the value of x is equal to minus of 7. Let's check here. So putting the value of any of the equation, in equation number 1, left hand side is equal to 3 into minus 7 plus 5 into 9, which is further equal to minus 21 plus 45. So 45, 5 minus 1 is 4, and so which is further equal to RHS, right hand side. So our solutions, x is equal to -7 and y is equal to 9, both are right answers. Question number 6. Here x plus 5y is equal to 22, and this is equation number 1 here, and x plus 3y is equal to 12. So in these two equations we have x and x coefficient same. So subtracting second from first equation, we get here 2y is equal to 10. This implies that y is equal to 5 here, and substituting the value of y in any of the equation, the x plus 5 into 5 is equal to 22. So here x is equal to 22 minus 25. So here the value of x is equal to minus of 3. To check the solutions, take any equation. Let first equation, x is -3, left hand side is equal to -3 plus 5 into 5, that is 25. So -3 plus 25 is equal to 22 here, so which is equal to RHS. So our solutions are right. Next, question number 7. Again we have 3x plus y is equal to 30 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 53. Now this is question number 1 and this is question number 2. To eliminate y here, we can multiply equation 1 by 3. So here we get 9x plus 3y is equal to 90. What we have done, we have multiplied equation 1 by 3. We want to eliminate y. So we have 9x plus 3y is equal to 90. So adding equation, like this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Adding 2 and 3, we get 11x is equal to 143. So this implies that the x is equal to 13. Similarly, putting the value of x in any of the equation, 3 into 13 is 39 plus y is equal to 30. This implies that y is equal to minus of 9. So we can check the solutions substituting the value, that 3 into 13, left hand side equation 1, 3 into x, that is 3 into 13 plus the value of y is minus of 9. So 39 minus 9 is equal to 30. So which is equal to right hand side. So our solutions are right. So this is about question number 7. Question number 8. X minus 5y is equal to 0 and 15x plus 10y is equal to 17. So here we can eliminate y. We can multiply equation 1 by 5. We get 5x minus with the 2. So here we need, this is 2x minus of 10y is equal to 0. So here adding, this is question number 2, 3, adding 2 and 3, we got 17 of x is equal to 17. So this implies that x is equal to 1. Now substituting the value of x in any equation here, that is 1 minus 5y is equal to 0, implies that y is equal to, or y is equal to 1 upon 5. First minus of 5y become plus 5y and y is equal to 1 upon 5. So we can check the solution here. In left hand side of equation 1, we have 1 minus 5 upon 1 upon 5, which is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0 here. So our solution, both the solutions, they are right. So last question is x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. So we can eliminate here x. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get twice of x plus 4y is equal to 6. Now from these two equations, if we subtract one from another, so by subtracting one from another, here x will eliminate. We have minus of 7y is equal to 7. Let's check the again. 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. So here twice of x, 4y, minus of 6. So here we have y is equal to minus of 1. So substituting the value of y is equal to minus 1, we have x minus of 2 is equal to 3 here, and here we have x is equal to 5. Here we have multiplied equation 1 by 2. We got twice of x, 4y is equal to 6, and then subtracting this equation from second, we got minus of 7y is equal to 7. So let's check the solutions here by substituting the value of y, and here x is equal to 5 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here we have both the left hand side and right hand sides, they are equal. So dear students, I hope you are very much clear with the topic to solve the simultaneous equations, linear equations. Always these two equations in standard form, we have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and for second equation, if it is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, this equation represent the line, and generally when these two lines intersect each other, they intersect each other, the point where they intersect, like here these x and y are the point. If point P is the solution for these pair of linear equations, so here x and y are the solutions. So always when these two lines intersect each other, we have a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. This is the important condition for two lines to intersect or two lines to have a unique solution. So thank you very much.